No coffee, cereal, spaghetti. Yep, my floor's seen it all. But which floor washer actually makes cleanup stress-free?
Narwal S30 Pro?
Or the older Tineco S7 Pro? Let's find out. Now I use both of these in my home so you'll see the messes, the cleanup, and the little details that actually matter day to day. Narwal handled it in one smooth pass, while Tineco needed a couple of extra sweeps. That's why the Narwal felt quicker. Now dry crumbs are easy for both. Honestly, no big difference. You won't need a broom for either one. Now this is the dreaded sticky mess. Narwal cleared it in one go. Tineco managed too, but I had to do an extra pass. Less time cleaning is the real difference here. Now along the baseboards, Narwal hugged the edge tighter. In corners, both left a little residue, but Narwal needed less touch-up. And just to be clear, these are floor washers, not vacuums, so they won't dig dirt out of the cracks. Now Narwal lays completely flat under furniture and even lowers suction so dust doesn't blow around. It also turns easier in tight spaces. Now the Tineco can reach under tube,
Just not as low as the Narwal S30 Pro, and especially on this test that we're doing right now.
What about hair test? Narwal's dock actually cuts tangled hair automatically. And here's the important part. The S3 Pro's dual layer comb is certified for anti-tangle performance internationally. Now, Tineco doesn't have that dual layer comb or decertification at all. In real use, Narwhal's roller stayed noticeably cleaner. Now, after cleaning, the Narwhal uses hot water and dries the roller with warm air, almost like ironing it dry. The Tineco uses room temp wash and cold air drying. Now, they both work, but the Narwhal brush felt fresher after using it for a day. Now, this is a feature I wish every floor washer had.
The S30 Pro effectively separates dry and wet waste, so you don't need to touch any dirty residue. You just need to throw away the trash bag and pour out the dirty water. Now with the Tineco S7 Pro, you may need to perform additional dry and wet separation. Otherwise, pouring it directly into the toilet could cause blockage.
Now day to day, both detect dirt automatically. Narwhal adds a wood floor mode, a one-touch max button as well, and runs about 20 minutes longer than Tineco. Those little things add up if you got bigger space or mixed floorings. Now here's my honest take. The Tineco S7 Pro is fine for basic cleaning, but it's an older model. The Narwal S30 Pro feels like the future. Smarter, more hygienic, and a lot less hassle. Between the hot wash, warm drying, certified anti-tangle comb, and that no-mess trash bag system, it's the one that I want to keep at home. Now, if this helped at all, drop a like, share it on the comments below as well your messy floor horror stories, and check the description for updated prices and links. See you in the next one. Peace!